Okay, let's do the 29th. Here they say that let a1, a2, a3 and so on up to an be some fixed real numbers. Okay, these are some real numbers which define a function. So, okay, that means these real numbers make some function, that is, this is the function f of x is, so this is the function. Then find the limit of the function when x is approaching a1. Okay, and second one is also find the limit of the function when x is approaching a. Okay, so let's find the limit of the function when x is approaching a1. Now if this is a number line and this point is a1, okay, and x is approaching from both sides towards a1, okay, so the function, then now the function is, this is the function, so the function, we have only one function, so this is common for all the number line, so that is x minus a1, x minus a2, so on, x minus an. This is the function. So we find the limit of the function as x approaches a1. Now a1 is approaching from both sides. Okay, we will not separately calculate LHL and RHL. One is enough because this is common for the whole number line. Okay, so limit of the function as x approaches a1 is equal to, now let's put the value of x in the function. So this becomes a1 minus a1 and a1 minus a2, so on, a1 minus an. Okay, which is equal to, now a1 minus a1 becomes 0 multiplied by a1 minus a2, so on, a1 minus an. Now 0 upon anything is 0, so this becomes 0. So limit of the function as x approaches a1 is equal to 0. Now now the second one, limit of the function as x approaches a, and here a is not a1 or a2 or a3, this is, okay, it's not equal to this is something other, some other number. So limit of the function when x approaches a, so again we take the number line, this is the point a and x is approaching a from both sides. Now the function is the same function, okay, x minus a1, x minus a2, so on, x minus an. This is the same function. Okay, so this is also common for the whole number, for the both, for the LHL and RHL, it's common. So limit of the function as x approaches a from both sides, which is equal to, now let's put the value of a in the function, so a minus a1, a minus a2, so on, a minus an. This is it. This is the limit of the function when x approaches a. This is the limit. Okay, that's it. Okay.